Yeah, so today's topic is opening the heart. So, heart is the seat of our emotions, love. Yeah. And love as an emotion has the power to transform poison into elixir. Yeah. Many times when someone is talking to us very rudely or is very angry, when we give them love, the dynamics between in the relationship changes. But when क्या चोट के बदले चोट बदला हाँ hatred के बदले बदला, then nothing changes. It starts getting worse and worse. So today we are going to do a process in which we understand through the breath work how to open this heart. What happens before we go into the process? We first understand in short, it's a short process. We understand in short what happens when I open the heart. When I open my heart, I love myself more. So the most important relationship in life is the relationship with self. When I love myself, then I have the capacity, capability and the skill to love others. And when I love myself, then the others also love me, because there's a positive uh, emotion in my space. Yeah, so that is what opening the heart does. Opening the heart will first make us love ourselves, and then it is a vicious circle. Then others also love us, and then we also love others. Why love is so important? Why not just live with hatred? Yeah. So love has a soothing, as I said, that love has this transformation. So it can transform poison into any negative emotion. If you give, if you have love, you can transform into a positive emotion. As well as any relationship you have in your life, or anything, any job or anything, if you have love towards it, we transform it. In a very regular job can transform into a very nice job if we do it with a lot of love. So do it as an experiment. Live your life in love and just feel what transformation comes to you. Just experience and do share your experiences with me. And after this process, we also have a sharing round. So now we go into the process. First, I'll give some instructions and then we do the process. It's a very, very simple process. Done regularly, it will increase, it will open up your heart chakra and bring a lot of love in you and around you. So what we do is we breathe out first, and when we breathe out, we contract our stomach muscles. Yeah, the stomach muscle, the gut. We contract, and then slowly we breathe out and we start contracting our muscles. Once we are sure that we have actually emptied our lungs, then we stay in that position. Don't force yourself a lot. Don't force yourself. Just go little more than your capacity. Yeah. And then breathe in. When you breathe in, imagine, before you even start this meditation, imagine your most favorite flower in place of your heart chakra. And when you are breathing in, just feel that this breathing in is opening the flower which you have in the heart chakra. And then again, breathe out, contracting your stomach. Make sure you have emptied your lungs. Stay in that after you have emptied the lung for a few seconds, till the time you can hold. Just little more than your capacity. Don't force yourself much. And then breathe in. Deep breathe in. And when you breathe in, just see the flower blossoming in your heart. Yeah, your favorite flower blossoming in your heart. What this meditation also does is it changes the state. If I am very irritated, sad, and I'm feeling very angry on someone, if you do this exercise, breathing exercise, then it brings a lot of love in your system, and then it can transform those negative emotions, and it can transform the state. Yeah, it can be any flower of your choice, whatever you like. right? So we start the meditation now. Yeah. So like in all meditation, we keep the spinal cord straight, and we put our hands on our knees, and our legs, either we keep it folded, or if we are sitting on a chair, then the feet should touch the ground for grounding. Before we do any meditation, grounding is extremely important. Straight spinal cord, because the chi has to, the energy has to flow throughout the system. The energy which you are generating in your heart chakra has to dissipate and spread in your whole system. Yeah. So we start the meditation. Close your eyes. Bring your consciousness and your awareness from wherever it is back into your body. Just be aware at what state your body is now. Now, for grounding, take 3 deep breaths, breathing in from your nose and breathing out from your mouth. Now empty out your lungs. Breathe out completely, contracting your stomach muscles. Completely throw out all the air in your lungs out from your nose and contract your stomach muscles. Do it at your own pace. Once you are sure that all the air has been evacuated from the lungs, stay in that position, contracting your stomach muscles, and do not breathe in now. Hold it as much as you can, just little more than your natural capacity, and don't force yourself. And then breathe in, and as you breathe in, imagine, visualize, or feel it is opening the flower which you have kept at your heart. Now, at your own pace, keep doing it for next 10 minutes. Breathing in, imagining the flower in your heart is opening and blossoming more and more. And breathing out, contracting your stomach muscles completely and throw out all the air in the lungs. Keep doing this cycle of breathing in and breathing out. It is opening your heart chakra. Keep breathing in. Visualize, feel, or imagine the flower in your heart chakra blossoming, opening up. And breathing out, contract your stomach muscles, throwing out all the air out from the lungs. After the air has been expelled, wait for as long as you can, just little more than it's comfortable for you. Keep this cycle of breathing in and breathing out going. Having full attention in your body. Keep the cycle of breathing in and opening the flower and blossoming the flower in your heart chakra, and breathing out, contracting the stomach muscles going. After you have breathed out all the air from your lungs, wait for some time. Keep your stomach muscles contracted during that time. Don't force yourself, just little more than it is comfortable for you. Keep this cycle of breathing in and breathing out going. Having the awareness what is happening to your body, what changes. Keep the cycle of breathing in and breathing out going. Having the awareness, do you like breathing in more or breathing out more? What is more comfortable to you without any judgments? Just awareness. How does it feel to hold tight the stomach while you have breathed out all the air from your lungs? Just be aware to the sensations in your body. And now the meditation is over. Come back to the here and now. Slowly shift to the normal breathing, and before you open your eyes, just have one word as what you are feeling in your body now. And now be aware how you were feeling before the meditation, and now how are you feeling after the meditation. What changed in you without judgments? If before the meditation it was peace and now it is agitated, that is also fine. If before the meditation it was agitation and now it is peace, that is also good. So accept all your feelings with awareness. This meditation you can do few rounds when you are feeling sad, agitated, or you can do up till 30 minutes. Yeah. Today's meditation is over.